In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a door that doesn't want to stay open all the way. You'll be standing here brushing your teeth at the sink, and this thing will close and hit you in the elbow every time. And to make things even worse, it'll randomly pop open on you. These two issues are related. It's one quick, easy fix. Now, before you think there's any spirits involved, let's take a look at the door coming up right now. Okay, so what I think is going on here is a lot of people are in a hurry these days and they don't take the time to make sure the doors are straight before they put the trim on. Now, as you can see, the bubble is a little bit to the left. That doesn't seem like much, but you can really see it when we look at the catch where the door closes. All right, so hopefully you can see how low this bolt is right here compared to the catch in the door frame right here. Now, I am pushing down on the door a little bit, but it's because it's right at the bottom of the hole where that's supposed to be, which is right here on the bottom. You can even kind of see a rub mark right there where the door has been hitting that, just barely grabbing the bottom. So the door is crooked as can be. Well, one fix would be to take all the trim off both sides. That way we can straighten the door frame. But we don't have to do all that. I've got an easier solution for you. And that solution is to compensate for the crookedness of the door by adjusting the hinges. We know that this side was low, and that agrees with this because it's closing and the door's leaning this way, so the door needs to go back this way to bring this side up. So what we can do is bend these hinges, and that should solve the problem. All right, so let's go ahead and get these pins out. Now I'm going to take all three out and move the door out of the way. All right, so notice I got some tape right here on the door frame so we don't scratch it all to pieces. Now I need to bend the top one just a little bit this way. I need to bend the middle one just a little bit this way. And I'm going to go ahead and bend the bottom one just a tiny bit the other way to try to shift the door the way it needed to go. So to get these hinges to bend, just take a crescent wrench on here and just do like this. Now I did replace the middle screw with a much longer screw so that it went in and grabbed some wood. I did that on all three hinges. That'll add some strength to it so this doesn't break out of the door frame when I try to bend this. So just grab it and just carefully bend it a little bit. Just like so. Now I've already bent the top one over. I needed to bend this one slightly more than I bent the middle one because it's up. It needs to go over. And now I'm going to bend the bottom one the other way just slightly. All right, let's put the pins back and give that a try. All right, got the pins back in. It didn't take much. I didn't have to bend it that much. But look what we got here. Well, wait a minute. Even bouncing off the wall, the air conditioner's running with a vent that's up here. It's not closing no more. And when I push down on the door, it stays shut. So that solved the issue. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching.